Indian chapati bread recipe. Soft, warm, and wholesome Indian chapati bread is a traditional flatbread made with just a few simple ingredients. It pairs beautifully with curries, lentils, or even as a wrap for your favorite fillings. Here's how to make chapatis at home with ease. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, or whole wheat flour for a healthier version, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons oil, 3/4 cup water, adjust as needed. Instructions. Step 1. Make the dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour and salt. Add the oil and mix well. Gradually pour in the water while mixing with a spoon or your hand until the dough starts to come together. Step 2. Knead the dough. Transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface. Knead for about 5 to 7 minutes until smooth and elastic. Step 3. Shape the dough. Divide the dough into 8 equal parts. Roll each piece into a smooth ball. Cover with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 5 minutes. Step 4. Roll out the chapatis. Using a rolling pin, roll each ball on a lightly floured surface into a thin, round disc. Aim for an even thickness. Don't worry if they're not perfectly round. They'll still taste delicious. Step 5. Heat the skillet. Preheat a skillet, tava, or griddle over medium heat. Lightly grease it with oil or ghee if needed. Step 6. Cook the chapatis. Place a rolled chapati on the hot skillet. Cook for about 30 seconds until small bubbles form. Flip and cook the other side for another 30 seconds until light brown spots appear. Flip once more if needed for even cooking. Step 7. Serve. Remove from the skillet and keep warm in a clean towel. Repeat with the remaining dough balls. Serving suggestions. Enjoy chapatis with curries, dals, or stews. Use them as a wrap for grilled veggies or meat. Spread with butter or ghee for a simple, comforting snack. Tip for extra soft chapatis. Keep them stacked in a kitchen towel to lock in steam.